and welcome back to Home Decor 101, your little corner of YouTube for all things stylish and beautiful in the home. Today, let's jump into a home decor quickie. Pink bathrooms are having a major comeback, and honestly, it's about time. Once a staple of mid-century homes, pink tile, pink sinks, even pink bathtubs were all the rage in the 1940s through the 1960s. But what was once seen as dated or overly feminine is now being embraced as retro chic and full of personality. Today's pink bathrooms blend vintage charm with modern flair. Whether it's soft blush tones or bold rosy hues, pink adds a warm, playful energy to a space that's often overlooked. Paired with brass fixtures for a glam vibe, or go with matte black and white accents for a more contemporary twist. And don't worry, you don't need to renovate your whole space to get the look. Think pink shower curtains, towels, or even a painted vanity. A little pink goes a long way in adding a cozy, inviting feel. So whether you're restoring an original 1950s bathroom or just craving a fresh, cheerful update, don't sleep on pink. It's bold, it's timeless, and it just might be the happy pop that your home needs. So whether you decide to go pink or just keep it neutral, let me know in the comments if you are team pink, team heck no, or somewhere in between. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And remember, whether your bathroom is super glam or just a regular neutral bathroom, the best thing you can have in your home is a happy family and a sense of gratitude. I'll see you in the next one.